Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, it's that little blue button right there. Click the subscribe button because I'm going to show you how to fix your damaged bottle brush trees. You know what I'm talking about. Click it.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
All right, don't we love bottle brush trees? We love them. That's a bottle brush tree. For those of you who don't know what the heck I'm talking about, this is called a bottle brush tree. So in the last couple of years, these have just become super popular. Like, I can't keep them in stock in the shop. So I ordered them in bulk. And I don't know why, but for some reason, the manufacturers of bottle brush trees don't actually know how to take care of bottle brush trees, because they sent them in a bag like this. And then when I received them, they're all squashed. Some of them are really bad, like really bad, right? So you could see they're smashed. They're completely flat. That's not cute. No customer's going to pay me for that. They want their fluffy, beautiful little bottle brush tree. They want it to look like a tree. So I attempted to contact the manufacturer straight out of China and say, look, they were all squashed. So they sent me another bag. And those were all squashed too. And I love how the manufacturers literally give you no information on caring for the bottle brush trees. None whatsoever. So you open up a package of bottle brush trees and it doesn't say how to properly care for them or store them or clean them or blah, 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 blah. None of that. This process might show you how dirty bottle brush trees actually are. And it might be frightening, but stick with me. We got this. We're going to improve these trees, maybe clean them. If you have bottle brush trees that you packed away last Christmas and they're all smashed and you're thinking, I've got to buy all new trees, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get to work. Okay, now I ordered over 100 of these bottle brush trees to put in the shop this year because I can't keep them in stock. No lie. And the white ones are super popular and they seem to be the ones that get crushed the easiest. What's with that? So I'm going to show you what you need to do to take care of the bottle brush trees you already have, or if you find some at a garage sale or a thrift store and they're smashed up like these, you can still buy them and we'll make them look pretty again. So the only thing you need to do this, and I don't have running water in the shop, so I just put hot water in this Pyrex bowl. And notice I didn't say boiling water. You do not need to boil the water. You can use hot tap water. You can do this right at your sink if you want to and just run the water right over the trees. But since I don't have running water, I put it in a bowl. And you're going to put the trees in. My tap water is super hot. So maybe if you're in an apartment where the water isn't as hot, you don't have a choice on the temperature of your water, you might want to put it in a microwave. I don't know. So I'm just going to submerge that for just a little bit. And if you're doing this I usually do it under the tap when I'm not filming. So I'll run the water and it only takes a second. And that softens all the little bristles. So you can see the bristles have actually already started to become soft. They're really soft now. So this one had a big smashed side on it. And then you notice manufacturing defects when you start. Look at that one. You see how the little long string is on there? But you just fluff up your tree. And sometimes you get these little globs down here where, again, it's a manufacturing defect because mine are new. But you just adjust your tree to look the way you want it to. Now, I have dental tools in my shop, but you could use a fork for this if you would like. If you have, like, I have some crisscross pieces in here that need to be combed out So you can see down here where, maybe you can't, where some of the bristles have become like crisscrossed in there. And my fat fingers aren't going to do the job of pulling it out. So you can use a fork or a pick of some kind, or even skewers or a chopstick, and just get in there and kind of comb it out so that they're nice and straight. And I'll end up trimming those long pieces off because I don't want those on my trees either. As you can see, let's take this one that's like really super bad. And again, it's just hot tap water. It's not boiling, so I can put my hands in it without much problem. And even as I just sort of shake it back and forth, you can tell it's already improved the look of this bottle brush trees, and it's just dramatic sometimes. And this happens quite a bit, where I have to fix up the trees because I don't store them perfectly in my inventory either. Your fingers work the best to kind of get the whole shape down. You just use your hands to run it down. But oh, I got one stuck to me. See where these have kind of clumped together? That's when I use the pick to pull them apart, because my fingers are going to keep them clumped together. You just get a pick in there, start fanning them out until you're happy with the shape of your tree. That is significantly better than it was. I mean, if it dries and I feel like it didn't quite get where I wanted it to be, then obviously I can just put it back in the water and do it again. If you have the snow, the fake snow that's on the top, and some of it might come off in the water, you can always put more snow on top of it. But I'm just going to dunk that in the water. This is so much easier under the tap, I got to be honest with you. Running water over it is so much faster, but you do use a lot of water. So if you're concerned about, wasting water, do it in a bowl. See, and on this one, the snow did not come off. But look at how I'm going to have to trim these off. I mean, it's like the manufacturers don't care. They just don't care. And I do have over 100 trees that some of them look like this and need to be improved upon. And I'm doing this real time. You're not getting any time lapse, so you're seeing how fast it is just to fix and repair these. So I'm dunking this in hot tap water again. And it's almost fixed itself. And then I get in there and just use my hands to kind of massage it around. And if you need to, get a pick in there. Some kind of toothpick works just fine. Get the clumps. They have a tendency to clump together. But the hot water just warms up the needles. And there you go. So I'm going to get to work. And I'm going to actually trim mine as well. I got to find my scissors. But I'm going to get my sewing scissors out and trim them so that the trees look like trees and don't have these big long things on them. Wish I'd gotten a deeper dish for these. Oh, well, live and learn. And you don't have to do anything else to them. When the trees dry, they'll be perfect. What's this one? Did I do this one? This is really smashed on the bottom, so clearly I did not do that one. And it really softens up those needles. There you go. Now I have a perfect little tree. And there you have it. So if you have opened up your Christmas boxes this year and found out that your trees are all smushed, or you found some that are crushed at a garage sale or a thrift store, and you're wondering if you can bring them back to life, you absolutely can. So just grab a bowl of hot water and put them in, and all you'd have to do is run your fingers over them and they'll be good as new. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junket shirts, don't forget to click the link below and get yours today. It supports me, it supports this channel, and I'm so grateful to everyone who's already gotten theirs. If you'd like to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, I'm always up for the challenge. Send it to the P.O. Box. And if you'd like to send me a coffee, because y'all know I'm on half a tank, you can do so. It is like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.